Today, I'm going to test these three fill valves from Fluidmaster to determine which is the best. Hi, this is your Uncle Brian with Woggers General Services, and today I have three Fluidmaster toilet fill valves I'm going to test on how quiet they are and how fast they fill the tank. Now here are our three contenders. The Fluidmaster 400A, the tried and true basic fill valve, listed as the #1 selling toilet fill valve in the world and makes no claims for being quiet or fast. You can buy these individually for around $10 or in a 3-pack, which will lower the cost to just over $8 each. Comes in a classic black and gray color scheme along with a 5-year limited warranty. Next up is the Pro 45. This is listed as a Pro Series upgrade that's built to last. Advertises as powerful, ultra quiet, and best in performance and durability. It also comes with a 5-year limited warranty and is a little sexier with a striking red cap. Now these will cost you right around $12 each. Completing the lineup is the PerforMAX high performance fill valve. Advertises as quiet and powerful. It states it's the most powerful fill valve on the market and generates 2 times greater refill rates with ultra quiet operation. Now this one comes available by itself, or it's also in the complete toilet kit, which includes a flush valve, flapper, tank to bowl, bolt set, and gasket, along with a flush handle. A solo fill valve will run you about $15, but the complete kit is only around $25, so if you need more than just a fill valve, the kit is the way to go. Now these come with a 7-year limited warranty, 2 years more than the others, and has a colorful blue cap. To make it fair and so all the other parameters are the same, I'm going to install all three in the same toilet and set the water level to the same height for each one. Then, once the flapper closes, I'll time each one to see how long they take to fill the tank. Now I'll also check how quiet each one operates with the lid on. So let's start off with the basic workhorse, the 400A. Now refill time was a speedy 33.28 seconds. Now I know I stopped it at 33.53, but when I replay the video, the fill valve actually shut off at 33.28 seconds. So now let's check how quiet it operates. Now for this test, I'm going to use a free decimal meter app that I loaded onto my iPhone. Now I'm sure this isn't super accurate as far as the actual decibels go, but since I'm using the same phone and the same app for all three fill valves, it will give an accurate variance between the three. I'll just place it on the seat near the tank with the lid on the tank, just like you'd be using it at home. Now I'm going to throw out the readings in the very beginning because it's going to include the noise from the bowl flushing, so my figures will just be for the levels while the tank is filling after the flush is complete. Now apparently I was a little challenged when it came to hitting the record button, so I don't have the footage from the sound reading, but it did peak at 71 decibels and stayed consistent in the 65 to 68 decibel range. Next up is a Pro 45. This time the refill rate was a little bit slower at almost 47.5 seconds. Now for the sound test. The Pro 45 peaked at 63 decibels and pretty much stayed between 59 to 62. Let's wrap it up with the most expensive of the trio, the PerforMAX, advertised as ultra-quiet, powerful, and with a 2-time refill rate. Now, refill time was a snail-crawling 1 minute and 18 seconds. Wow! Let's see how ultra-quiet it really is. It peaked at 68 decibels, but pretty much stayed in the 61 to 65 decibel range. Now, before I compare all three, if you find the content I put out there helpful, a tap on that thumbs up like button and subscribing to my channel is greatly appreciated. All right, let's compare all three now. So refill times range anywhere from 33.28 seconds as the fastest for the 400A, followed by about 47.5 seconds for the Pro 45. And the slowest? Well, that was 1 minute and 18 seconds for the PerforMAX, which is strange because it advertises itself as 2 times the refill rate. I guess they mean 2 times longer, not 2 times faster. Now, as far as the sound test, the 45 came in the quietest at a peak of 63 decibels, but it mostly stayed in the range of around 59 to 62. Next up was the PerforMAX, peaking at 68 decibels, but it kept in the modest 61 to 65 decibel range. And finally, the 400A at a peak of 71 decibels, but mostly it stayed around 65 to 68. So, which one gets the smiling poop trophy? Well, it depends on what you want. Now, if speed is your main concern, then the 400A wins hands down over the other two, at 14 seconds ahead of second place and over a staggering 44 seconds ahead of third place. The 400A could fill the tank twice, still with time to spare compared to just one fill with the PerforMAX. Now, if noise is your concern, maybe because your bathroom is close to the bedroom and you don't want your partner's middle of the night potty run to wake you, then the Pro 45 takes the gold here. But really, the sound level is very close between all three, with only an 8 decibel difference between the quietest and the noisiest. So me? I'd probably keep the extra dollars and go with the basic 400. It may be a slight bit louder, but at the fastest fill time, it'll be over before you know it. And with the money you saved over the PerforMAX, you can replace your flapper also while you're at it, and still have just enough left over for a big gulp of go-go juice. Bye now.